Welcome back. It's Joanna with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and we are back at Glen. And here we are practically finished with this property. We got all the floors in, paint, cabinets, countertops, and appliances are being delivered on Monday, which is tomorrow. So yay, we're basically finished with this property. But let me show you inside what's been done. We're still going to pave this driveway, but I want everything inside completed first. So you can see here, right here on the porch, we've added the necessary railings that were not there before. So now this porch is safe and it looks a lot better. Just need paint now. So we've got all new vinyl siding throughout. We just could not continue with that masonite siding. So we replaced the siding all the way around and put on our new shutters. So here we have already added the flooring throughout. We've got vinyl plank flooring, which looks like hardwood, but it's not, and it's more durable. You can get it wet and it won't even matter. We've also painted the walls and painted and repaired the walls, and right where that window was completely rotted out to the bottom, all that's been fixed, and the windows look brand new, although they are the same windows that were here before. With this nice open floor plan, we decided to go bigger with the cabinets, and so instead of just one row of cabinets, we added another wall of cabinets, which gives the kitchen so much more space and meaning. So we've got all new bright white cabinets and countertop. Everything in here is new, and we even put in a new water heater. All right, let's go take a look at the bedrooms. You can see that the vinyl plank extends all the way down and is all throughout the rest of the house. And this is the master bedroom because it has direct access to the bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill bathroom. We also had to move the electric panel in here, which was in the kitchen, but because we changed that, added the row of cabinets, that's where the electric panel was. But this is the master bath slash Jack and Jill. In this property, we only had room for one bathroom, which was original. So having a Jack and Jill set up still gives us the master bedroom feel, the master suite feel. We were able to keep the vanity. We replaced the toilet. We redid the shower, kept the tub, and just glazed that. So let me show you what we've done with the deck. We got rid of the small one and we added a much bigger one that looks way nicer. You can also see our brand new HVAC unit. So now that Glen is practically finished, I need more properties to flip, more properties to keep as rentals. So if you have a property that you need to sell, or you know someone looking to sell a property, give me a call, 804-596-9110, or send me an email, joanna@remnantres.com. I look forward to working with you.